What do you see are the main factors within the oil markets at this point? We saw that 7% drop. We went from about 120 down to about 110 on Friday, get back to about 112 on Monday, Tuesday. Now we're back down to, 109 on Brent, a drop of 5%. What is going on? Is this just recession concerns, or are there other factors at play?
There are a lot of factors in there. The thing that's been pushing it up has been this uncertainty around the war in Ukraine, brought on by Russia, as well as those supply issues. And then what's pushing that down are these issues about the continued COVID lockdowns in China, doubts about how long that's going to stay on. We've also got a lot of recession concerns in the economy. As the dollar rises, that's making oil a lot more expensive for a lot of those consuming countries, and that's going to hurt their ability to continue to buy oil, and that's potentially going to drive down their consumption in the future. So we've got these concerns, these longer-term concerns about recession and oil demand. However, people are looking at China coming back later in the year. They're looking at the continued recovery of jet fuel demand, and that's really going to cut into the supplies there. So that is a concern going forward. You mentioned earlier the IEA. They put out a report today saying, talking about investment, how investment is going up, but not enough. The IEA was really talking about renewable energy investment, saying that that's not enough of those additional oil company profits are not going into renewable energy, and that's again another long-term solution to this problem of energy supply and issues that we have. But we also spoke to the IEF yesterday, and they were saying that there's not been enough investment going into oil and gas to keep supply up, and this year is likely to be another sluggish year for oil and gas investment because of those concerns that I talked about, recession and the COVID lockdown. So we're looking at a difficult landscape going forward.